Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please, if this is your first time viewing, consider to subscribe to this channel so anytime another exciting video you will notify. Let's solve this simple problem on the board. Please, after watching, share with your loved ones so others will learn from it. Now we're going what? S to the power of what? Log 4 to base 10 plus 4 is to the power of what? Log s base 10 equals to what? 32. I want you to understand something in this video, that log any log without a specific base, know that logarithm is in base 10. Logarithms are always in base 10. Any logarithm without a specific base, note that logarithm is in what? In base 10. Now what are we going to do so that we can find the value of s that will satisfy this equation? Our first step, what we are going to do, we are going to concentrate as what? Log s. We can say that let log s equals to what? P. If log s is equals to p, remember that this log is in base 10, right? Any logarithm without a specific base, that log is in what? Base 10. So this log is in what? Base 10, right? That means 10 raised to the power of p, you give me x. That means 10 to the power of what? P is equals to what? X. That's good. Now we are going to have that. Look at anywhere we see s, we now put 10 raised to the power of p. Look at where we are having x here. So now see that this is now what? 10 raised to the power of what? 10 raised to the power of what? P. Okay. Consider we are having raised to the power what? And log 4. So this time become multiplied by what? Log 4. Then plus 4 raised to the power what? 4 raised to the power what? P. Okay, because log s is p equals to what? 32. Now, one of the properties of our logarithm over what? Log m to the power of p base a is equals to mp multiplied by the logarithm of what? M, okay, base what? A. Now look at what you are going to do. You can see that this is in form of this, right? So you are going to take it to this form. That means this will go back, okay, as the exponent as this m. So this will go back, right, to here. So now see that 10 raised to the power of what? Log 4 raised to the power of what? P is equals to what? Plus 4 raised to the power of what? P equals to what? 32. And again, if you have if you have s is equals to what? E raised to the power of what? In what? X. That means s is equals to 10 raised to the power of what? Log what? 10. Okay. Now see that for natural logarithm, s is equals to what? This is natural logarithm, e raised to the power of what? Link s. That means s will be equals to what? 10, because 10 is in what base? Is in logarithm, because any logarithm is in they are always in what? Base 10. But natural logarithm are always in base e, and this e have a constant value, right? So you are using this to compare, because we are going to do something very important here. So if s equals to what? E raised to the power link s, that means s is equal to what? 10 raised to the power log what? 10. Okay, that's good. Now, if that's the case, if s is equals to this, look at what we are going to do here. Remember that this is in base what? Sorry for my marker. This is in what? Base 10. Okay, if this is in base 10, that means we're going to have, look at, if this is equals to this, that means what we will left here is just 4 raised to the power of p. Because if x is equals to 10 raised to the power log 10, I remember that this is in what? This is with 10. Okay, this one, look at 10. Okay, not n, because I was using s here. So if 10 is equals to 10 raised to the power log 10, okay, that means 10 will be equals to 10 raised to the power what? And log any number to its own base is 1. Look at here is 10, so you have that 1. Okay, so this is essentially we are going to say here is in what? In base 10. So if we obey this law of logarithm, that means here we just become what? 4 raised to the power what? P plus 4 raised to the power what? P equals to what? 32. This plus this will give us what? 2 into what? 4 raised to the power what? P equals to what? 32. Divide both sides by 2, this will go. So now see that 4 raised to the power of p is equals to what? 16, because 32 divided by 2 is what? 16. Now we are going to find the value of p so that we can add the value of x. So we want to put 16 in this form. That means 4 raised to the power of p is equals to what? 4 raised to the power of 2. 4 raised to the power of 2 simply means 4 times 4, which is 16. Let's equate the power since the bases are the same. We can do without them, let them go and settle themselves. Now see that p is equals to what? 2. This is the value of p, right? But we are not asked to solve for p. We are asked that what is the value of s. I know you'll be wondering, why are we solving for p? We are solving for p so that this problem can be what? Easily be what? Solvable. Now recall recall that that 10 raised to the power of p is equals to what? X. From here, as you can see, that means 10 raised to the power of what? 2 is equals to what? X. That means 100 is equals to what? S. So therefore S is equals to what? 100. So 100 is the solution to this particular problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do well to like, comment, and also share the video to your loved ones so others will learn from it. Please, if you are not subscribed, consider to subscribe so that anytime you have an exciting video, you also will notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye bye.